Globus Gates, what's so special? First of all, we sending you our crews coming out of this warehouse right here with our products, exclusive products, beautiful, amazing, and durable. All think of engineering-wise, spectacular, and mostly done with aluminum. We have 100% aluminum lines, 100% made in the US, and powder coated. And your customer wants a gold gate, we're gonna get you a gold gate. You want a pink gate, we'll get you a pink gate. And even if they want metal backyard, we'll get you the metal. But our exclusive products are just spectacular for every need. We got backyard fences, as I said, vinyl with aluminum frame. You can do spectacular gates with different locks. US made lock will fit any of our framings. Sliding gates up to 20 foot with aluminum frame, 11 gauge frame is just unbelievable because your customer is going to love the project. That's why engineers choose Globus Gates, and also developers choose Globus Gates. We're giving you the best quality for the best price, and the variety is huge that you can choose from. Get us out, come visit the showroom, or send us your pictures with some sizes. We'll get you the prices. Orange County, Ventura County, Los Angeles County, we here for you, product and install. If you're outside of our territories, not a problem. We'll help you and we'll direct you to the right place to get the product, shipping, and even an installer. Globus Gates getting you those silky smooth project at the best price this time and best quality. Visit our showroom and you'll be super satisfied with the results.